Are you looking for the best window roller blinds in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best window roller blinds that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Acholo White 23 by 72 Home and Windows Darkening Shades Cordless Blackout Roller Blinds. If you aim at blocking out the sunlight in your home, you better look out for Acholo blinds. These kinds of blinds greatly block out sunlight and can offer you a dark atmosphere. You can take an afternoon nap without any hitch. Because the frames are from excellent aluminum materials, you can rest assured that they'll stand the test of time. Also, it comes with a click and lock clip that comfortably keeps the frame to the mounts. On the other hand, the roller shade is silver on one side and white on the other. As such, it makes it ideal for reflecting the sun perfectly during the hot summer. What's more, the shade is pretty easy to pull up and down. At number 4, Allison Grey 24 by 72 Cordless Easy to Pull Blackout Roller Shade Window Blinds for Room. Sometimes keeping the child asleep becomes a challenge, particularly during the day when there is a lot of light coming to your room. Allesin roller shades are here to offer your child a safe atmosphere for sleeping. Unlike using a towel or any other clothing on your window roller blinds make it easy to control the light coming to your room. Also, instead of spending a lot of money on custom-made shades, this set is affordable and can stand the test of time. Installation takes only a few minutes, plus, it doesn't require any experience. If you have a shoestring budget and you don't want to use a lot of money, then this is a great solution for you. At number 3, HTTMT ETZBW32 Easy to Install White Cordless Dual Layer Shades Zebra Window Roller Blinds. HTTMT window roller blinds come at the 7th position as the best product for keeping light out while allowing regulated light in. The slats are from 100% polyester fabric that lasts. Besides, they are resistant to shrinkage and stretching. Besides, it is dry cleanable. Further to that, it is much resistant to most chemicals. As if that is not enough, it is stable and comes with 2 ways to install. The unique features of this kit are excellent pleat retention, resilient, and wrinkle resistant. At number 2, Chicology Belgian Snow 27 by 64 Light Filtering Modern Fabric Cordless Roman Shades. If you are looking for an easy-to-operate window roller blind, this brand by Chicology becomes the best in the market. It has light-filtering Roman shades that create a warmer and vintage feeling around your home. With a modern twist that has a cordless function, you will operate it with no difficulty at all. Additionally, this cordless feature offers safety at home for children and your pets. The soft contemporary finish complements most decors at home. You can install it in your living room, bedroom, playroom, kitchens, and many more. Better still, it assures you of the needed privacy whereas letting in some light. At number 1, Lotus Windowware FCX3460WH34X60 White 2-inch Faux Low-Maintenance Wood Blinds. Lotus Windowware window roller blind is equipped with the needed features to meet all your needs. This unit is designed from high-quality wooden components that assure you of a longer-lasting unit. These materials do not crack easily nor fade its color, thus keeps your room looking beautiful. Installation is such a hassle-free task because all the needed hardware and instructions are included, thus it will take you some few minutes. With a weight of about 10 pounds, you can easily transfer it from one window to another without feeling much of its weight. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.